Hello YouTube. Thought we'd do a quick video here. I've had a couple people email me, some people have comments about the functions that this free repeater software can do. This software can do a lot. And I think I'll do a video series on it. Just some of the things that we're going to be in this video series. This software does have a DTMF remote control access. You can, when you punch in your keypad, like if you set it to be 1, 2, 3, 4, you can set what tone. You can have it tell it when it does do that tone, what function you want it to do. Either shut the repeater off, disable it, enable it, whatever. You tell it what channel to watch for the tone, as in audio, left channel, right channel. It has that capabilities. It also has, you can play messages, goodbye, hello, all kinds of functions. You can do your own message, lots and lots of functions. So I think we're going to go into depth. And when I get done doing the interface guide video that I'm working on now, when I get done with that, we're going to start doing a video series on this. We'll play with some of these functions. It also has a tone. Has that, capabilities. This software can be used as a simplex repeater, meaning it records your voice and plays it back with using just one radio. Or this software can be configured to a duplex, and you can use it if you know your radio pinouts. You can either hook it up to 2 mobile radios and have it be an actual repeater. So a lot of functions this software can do. Many functions. Besides the audio detection, if you're going to do the simplex using Vox, you can also do the COM port, as you see on my other video series. So you can interface this to a actual, GMRS 2A radio, if you know the pinouts of that radio. So you can do a lot with this software. This is a pretty fancy software. It does many functions. So I think we're going to do a video series on this, and we'll do this as time goes on, and that's the plan. So if you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.